Is that it?
No. It's look, target, and zoom.
It just seems to have gotten faster. I got you! I got you! I got it! Fuck! Got your back. Good! Good!
This is why I love playing games with Nick, because it's just...
Where's the bitch? Fuck! You're the dead ass nigga now. Fuck! Fuck! Ah! 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 Oh, that's you. So this guy coming after me is gonna rape me, but I don't know how to use any weapons. No! I got this guy. Fuck! 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 Fuck!
You can hold down the button.
Fuck your couch, piece of shit. Ah! Ammo!
Up, dude.
Okay, seriously. Which one of these? Alright, hold on. How do I gotta make the sideways thing go lower. Fuck it. Just zoom can stay.
Go lower. Oh, I understand.
Thank you. Now that it's slowed down. What? I got you. I got it. I killed 3 guys.
Accomplishment.
Remember the one time I killed 1?
Nick, how are you gonna do Sam's party up there?
I don't fucking know. I have my car back, so I'm most likely. Ah! Fuck! Fuck! No, not with the fucking cleaver. It's these guys. I fucking hate this guy.
You know, guy with the giant machete?
No! 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 Wow, his head just blew off. I'm so much better with that fucking bow and arrow piece of shit than I am with any other gun. No! Get away! This game is supposed to be enjoyable! No!
Make it look shit.
No! 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 Holy fuck! In the ass!
You got a bullet. Use your pistol.
I don't know how to switch! Oh.
Press down.
Fuck! No! No! Fuck! Fuck! Peace! Fuck! Ah! I got you!
You say so. Here's what I do, though.
Oh no! Get at me! fuck?
There you go.
Bitches and niggas.
You two-pieced him. Nice job.
And that is what happens when Nick plays Gears of War
Only on
2.
round